Ishant Sharma not just a tall figure in terms of his height, but also in terms of his contributions to the Indian cricket. If we think about him as a paceman over the years, India is not really known for creating a great crop of pace bowlers, but when you think of Ishant Sharma, he does emerge as a tall figure there.
घंटों रिसर्च कर कर बढ़िया प्लेयर्स चुन के बेस्ट टीम बनाई थी तुमने, पर टीम फिर भी हार गई तुम्हारी। क्या कभी ऐसा लगा है कि रियल प्लेयर्स के साथ भी खेल रहे हो या नहीं? हाउसेट पे आओ, हाउसेट पे आप ही की तरह है सिर्फ और सिर्फ असली फैंस, guaranteed. Visit houseit.com and make your team now.
Ishant Sharma is now all set to play his 100th Test match. India take on England in Ahmedabad for a day-night Test match, and that will be Ishant Sharma's 100th Test match. He'll become only the second Indian pacer after Kapil Dev to play 100 Test matches. Ishant will also become only the third current fast bowler after James Anderson and Stuart Broad to play 100 Test matches. Now, talking about his credentials or his records up until now, he's played 99 Test matches. He has clinched 302 Test wickets, including 11 5-wicket hauls. Now remember that he is also the slowest to reach 300 Test wickets. Now this delay in reaching the 300 mark is in no way a reflection of his credentials, but we need to understand how he was used as a bowler in various stages of his life. In the earlier phase of his life, he was used as a defensive bowler under the captaincy of MS Dhoni, while in the later phase of life that is still continuing under Virat Kohli's captaincy, he evolved into an aggressive bowler, an attacking bowler, becoming the leader of India's bowling attack, or India's pace attack rather. Since 2018, Ishant has had an upward growth in terms of his ability to be a strike bowler. He has picked up 76 wickets in 20 matches as he became the leader of the Indian pace attack under Virat Kohli. Going back in time, Ishant Sharma made his debut in 2007 in Dhaka, and from there on, he played the series against Australia in Australia. He threatened the likes of Ricky Ponting, and that spell in Perth to the Australian captain is still fresh in the minds of many cricket lovers. Now, talking about his career as a whole, he has had his share of highs and lows. He has worked on his weaknesses. He has maintained his strengths and skills. And the best part is that he's 32. He's going to play his 100th Test match. And if you have to believe his bowling coach, then, well, he can still play 150 Test matches in total for India. Well, for that we have to wait and watch. But of course, Ishant Sharma has been an inspiration. He has not been a very much talked about cricketer when you have so many glamorous, top shot superstars of Indian cricket. Ishant Sharma has usually not been the one who's the most celebrated of them all, but Ishant Sharma's story is an inspiration for many. Sample this. He says that he is going to play his 100 Test match, but that is in no way his focus. He does not focus on individual records, and what he wants is that to contribute to the team's cause. He wants India to win the World Test Championship, and for him it will be as good as winning the World Cup. Well, that is what he has done all his career. He has played to the demands of his captains. He has played for the team, and he has maintained his skills and strength, and of course the hunger. And Team India will of course want him to continue to do the same for many more Test matches to come.